Hey girly girl. So I'm actually like really sick. I think I have COVID, but I haven't tested yet. So maybe it's the flu, we don't know. I'm having to talk really loud because as you can see down there, my stepdad is currently blasting music from downstairs and it can air through the vent right over here. Currently I have to talk so I don't get copyright claimed, which is just fantastic. So I'll explain the video in just a sec. Do you guys like my double chin? So I'm gonna actually change into the last clip you saw was in boxers, and I don't want to show that really, so I might cut it out. It's not bad. I'm gonna change into some nice sweatpants. So basically in this entire video, I'm basically gonna be cleaning my room and time lapse it, basically being proactive, just so I can get everything done. Because when you have, I think, COVID, I don't know, honestly, oh my god, with this hat and these little fluffs of hair, I look like Parappa. Okay, anyways. So basically, I'm gonna just be cleaning my room, doing my homework, everything done and over with, and recording. So that's something to look forward to, I guess. Like, I don't know, it's like... Okay, so here's the plan of action. Luckily, the music has, like, kind of subsided. I don't know, but... Basically, the stuff I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be cleaning my room. It's not really a chore, I just want it done out of the way. I'm going to be finishing my chores. I'm gonna be doing my homework. I think that's it. I'll figure out whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna start cleaning my room, and then I'll time-lapse it. So as of now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chores. Oh, 9 chores to do. I'm gonna get them done, and I'm just gonna move it on. I don't know what I'm saying. Help, help, help. We're good. Let's talk. So at the moment, it is 9:02 p.m. on a glorious Wednesday. And the other video was filmed on Saturday, and I said I would do all of my homework and stuff like that. Did I do it? No. I didn't do any of it. So, now we're just catching up on that, so that's really cool and swaggy. I'm just, like, going insane, I guess. Yeah. I don't know. Basically what happened after that is that now I went into like a rut, I think, or something like that, and I started like just watching all of my old videos and was like, hey, I sucked back then, but I was kind of improving. I saw some of videos and I was like, this is kind of funny. But then again, like, it's not really me. I was copying a lot of YouTubers. If you saw the video that was like how to be a bomb YouTuber or whatever it was called, I was just like, I remember I was like, I had short hair and was like, today we are going to make a how do you do the YouTuber thing. And I was like, Finn, are you in a Zoom meeting or are you in a video? And I was just like, why are you doing this? Part 1 is to do the... That's not me. Starting out as a YouTuber is one hell of a ride, but eventually you just get over it and you're like, just be yourself. That's all you need to do. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna continue this video. I'm kind of just really lazy. But yeah, sorry, I'm like really crappy right now. Crappy? No, I meant crabby. Well, I'd say that if I was 50 years old, but anyways, moving. Also, yeah, I kind of want to, if I did reactions, I want to do it to my old videos because I don't want to get in any trouble with any other YouTuber because I was like, copyright stroke. I think I'm having one right now. Okay, bye guys, see ya. Imagine I made like an outro or something. I don't know. Okay, goodbye, see ya.